Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, B, and welcome back to the Beehive. For anybody who's new, welcome, and for anyone who's not new, then welcome back. Today's video was going to be really quick, you guys. I actually didn't even plan on filming, but I was like, you know what, since I'm getting ready, sorry if I'm talking real fast, but since I'm getting ready, I was like, you know what, let me just do a get ready with me. The intro is obviously going to be me talking to you, but for the actual me getting ready, I'll probably do a voiceover. I'm not going to be really showing you guys what what I'm using. It's just more so you watching me do my makeup. But the only thing new that I did get is this brow gel by Nyx, and I wanted to try it out, so that's pretty much really the reason why I decided to do a quick film. But I've never used this before. This is it. If anybody can see that. Is it focusing here? Yeah, okay. So this is it, and I wanted to try it out. So sorry for the lighting, you guys. I'm using my ring light, natural light, all of the above to do this video. So I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. You guys can watch. Yes, I'm still rocking the Candy Luxury hair. I straightened it, and so far, it's saving my life. But today is a very special day. This video is not going to be out until after everything happens, but I just want to say to my best friend that if you are watching this video, just know that I'm sorry for not telling you, but you are the hardest person to surprise because you always know what's going on. But I love you so much, and you mean the world to me, and congratulations on your engagement, and I cannot wait for this wedding, okay? So without any further ado, you guys, let's just jump right into this video.
14 sofa plus 15 carry walk all over Scotia. And the momentum, girl, tell me pull over. Girl, suicide, I put them in the rover. We are hot boys, so girl ever want to me. And I said, me love it, but them want to me. Girl, pass the goal is 5,000 times to see me. And I point when the house, when the last day I feel me. Then you see, you know see on me, a big girl I'm all over. You know see how we, every girl I'm all over. Every girl on the road wish me be my lover. Me them all over, them all over. You know see how me, every girl I'm all over. At more than we, every girl I'm all over. Every girl on the road wish me be my lover. Me them all over, them all over. Girl I send checks, set them off to get me now them met. Catch me now them met, them off to have me as a pet. Let me go look closer for rock me in a bowl of sweat. So me hold on to me hands and give her what she supposed to get. Wake up now the morning, kiss her with me. Wait. You're not ready for the video. What's in her face, you're not ready for the video. Full of face, you're not ready for the video. No one show me yet, she not ready for the video. She not ready for the video. Your buckle, she not ready for the video. Follow cloth, girl, she not ready for the video. Repeat cloth, girl, not ready for the video. That's where the girl, they not ready for the video. Wait. They not ready for the video. Wait. She not ready for the video. Wait. They not ready for the video. Wait. They not ready for the video. You look good, girl, and your man and my you. Now if I the video man find you. Givenchy shoes, then the belt must match. Gucci loafers with a love tap. But they don't think I'll thicker than a blood clot. Who you know, I'm a belly with a clutch back. When a bad sound clear, we say pull it up back. Everybody shout, yeah. Push, load, rum, jump, yo, we are wild out and a shout, yeah. Push, load, rum, jump, up a new got them. Tell them we ride them, when we sweet them. Just a smile with the pretty teeth them. Give me the You pussy good for money, and it will stay so forever. Cock it up for me, baby. Let me force up my cocky in there. My love for fuck you wild, no missionary doggy style. Got me too cute, and your pum pum so tight. Oh, cock it up and this don't catch up. Don't know me a blood clot fuck. Who you want fuck must stand up. Who can't fuck must stand up. Step good like the ice in a freezer. What I put it tight in a squeeze like a tweezer. Baby, I'll make me fuck. This is like a menace to the society. Yeah. Living up here on the ghetto lady. All girls, don't come to walk crazy. Busy, in a long shot. Give me the girl with the wickedest love. The kind of girl with no feel of up, she man. Man, if you want to get, give me that. You want to get that slum from a real ghetto girl again. Give me the girl with the wickedest love. The kind of girl with no feel of up, she man. Man, if you want to get, give me that. You want to get that slum from a real ghetto girl. Boy, when you tell him forget the bread and wheel. And if you live off your banana peel. Man, if you want to know good love it feel. You want to find a girl where you have Maxfield. Man, if you love your girlfriend to ya. But you're not getting slam where you want. Only for things you and one if you hide. Don't look at one place, girl, one place I got. I get a girl who's the wickedest slam. The kind of girl who don't feel love what she man. Man, if you want to get the medal, you want to get a slam from a real ghetto girl. If you ask me, girl, I change and I don't like that. No. Do not make everything go to waste, baby, please fight back. Wow. Have some faith in a man who don't roll like that. No. Or we can do the damn that, no. We would have never do you that, no, no, no. No sacrifice your happiness because of ego. No. No believe everything what you're seeing at the media. I'm stressed out, I'm miss my friend. Them no understand I get to you up there. You mean the world to me, no girl. Oh yeah. Them no answer that we not true then. Can't believe you get a new friend. And if I don't need then I wouldn't. You give up on me, please baby, don't.